10 News has gotten a hold of startling new statistics on the number of flu deaths in San Diego County. They have more than doubled there in just the past week. And 10 News reporter Chris Murphy is live in the Midway District with what the county health department had to say when we questioned them about the spike. Chris.
Steve, serious stuff here. The number of deaths jumped last week from 6 up to 14. And health officials here tell me it's not only the number of deaths that is troubling, it's the type of flu bug this year that has them really concerned.
The numbers have significantly increased from last week.
Last week, 6 people had died from this year's flu bug. Now that number stands at 14. Dr. Wooten is the health officer for the County of San Diego and shared with 10 News there are 503 new cases for a total of 1,179 since the flu season began in October.
We would not characterize this as a severe season, but it is of concern.
The biggest concern, 10% of hospital visits are from people suffering from the flu.
So that's a pretty significant number. It compares to 04-05 season, but it's not as high as some other or past seasons.
The worst season was 3 years ago when 58 San Diegans died from the flu. But this strain of flu, although not as deadly so far, is very strong.
Well, the virus that's primarily circulating is an H3N2 type A influenza strain, and that strain of virus is more severe than the H1N1, which is actually responsible for the pandemic influenza.
It's not a pandemic, but the flu season is getting worse and won't end until March. Dr. Wooten went on to tell me that she implores everyone watching this tonight to, in fact, get a flu shot if they haven't already, because it takes about 2 weeks to kick in your system, and it's only about 63% effective. Reporting live in the Midway District, Chris Murphy, 10 News.
All right, Chris, and 10 News is working to give you the best information you need to keep your family safe during the flu season. Students and faculty from UCSD's Skaggs School of Pharmacy, they're going to be here tomorrow evening starting at 5, and they will take your general questions about the flu and the vaccine until 6:30. Tune in at 5 tomorrow for the number.